Know you've been a good friend.
Welcome. If you've ever taken antibiotics and noticed changes in your digestion, skin, mood, or energy levels, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. Today, we're diving into how to heal your gut naturally after antibiotics, step by step. Antibiotics are powerful and often necessary, but they don't discriminate. While they wipe out harmful bacteria, they also eliminate good bacteria that your body needs to stay balanced. Think of your gut as an ecosystem. Antibiotics clear the forest, taking out both weeds and healthy trees. This can lead to symptoms like bloating, constipation, diarrhea, low immunity, brain fog, or even skin flare-ups. The good news is, you help your gut recover faster with a few natural and intentional steps. Right after finishing a round of antibiotics, begin by removing processed foods, added sugars, and excess dairy. These foods can cause inflammation and make it harder for good bacteria to grow. Instead, focus on whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and especially high-fiber options like oats, lentils, chia seeds, and leafy greens. Fiber acts as food for the beneficial bacteria and helps them grow and flourish. Fermented foods are some of the most effective natural gut healers. Include things like yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha. These foods contain probiotics, live bacteria that support and rebuild your gut microbiome. Taking a high-quality probiotic after antibiotics can be a smart move. Look for one with a wide range of strains, including and aim for at least 10 billion CFUs per dose. A 30 to 60-day course is typically effective, depending on your body's needs. Healing your gut isn't just about what you eat. Sleep plays a big role. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to allow your gut time to repair. Managing stress is also critical, as chronic stress can damage the gut lining. Practices like walking, journaling, prayer, deep breathing, and gentle stretching can help reduce stress and support healing. Add gut-healing foods like bone broth, which is rich in collagen and amino acids that repair the gut lining. And don't forget to drink plenty of water to keep your digestive system running smoothly. And avoid unnecessary use of medications like NSAIDs, which can irritate the gut. Let's quickly recap the 5 main steps. 1. Clean up your diet. 2. Add fermented foods. 3. Take a quality probiotic. 4. Prioritize sleep, reduce stress, and stay active. 5. Use bonus supports like bone broth and hydration. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more health tips each week. Let's dive deeper into the types of fermented foods you can include in your diet. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut. Some popular fermented foods include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. These foods not only support gut health, but also boost your immune system and improve digestion. Make sure to include a variety of fermented foods in your diet to reap the maximum benefits. Another important aspect of gut health is prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and whole grains. By consuming prebiotics, you can help the beneficial bacteria in your gut thrive and maintain a healthy balance. In addition to diet, regular physical activity plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health. Exercise helps to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, and yoga are great options to keep your gut healthy. Hydration is another key factor in gut health. Drinking enough water helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you are physically active or live in a hot climate. Herbal teas and broths can also contribute to your daily fluid intake. Lastly, let's talk about the importance of mindful eating. Eating slowly and chewing your food thoroughly can improve digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Avoid distractions like watching TV or using your phone while eating, and focus on enjoying your meal. Mindful eating can also help you recognize hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating and promoting a healthy gut. Feel free to drop a comment with your gut health questions or share your healing journey. We'd love to hear from you.